Well, let me ask you that. Let me answer two ways. One, if you were charged in the accident as being the at-fault party, that doesn't necessarily mean you were at fault. Many times, insurance companies investigate these types of issues, and they find the other driver, other people at fault. So they're not always. That's not always the key issue. The issue becomes if you're injured, if there's coverage, and if at some point through testimony, not a report that the police wrote, not a ticket that somebody wrote, but through testimony investigation, whether it appears as though you were at fault. And there may be some issues. If you have coverage, insurance coverage, and medical insurance, you're going to get covered as far as your injuries go. There's a good possibility they will do that, depending on what type of policy you have, depending on what type of insurance you have. But normally what happens is there's PIP coverage that starts out when you're involved in an accident. Secondly, it rolls to your medical insurance if you don't have anything else, and then at some point, the bodily injury part is what you're referring to, whether you're at fault or not. That may cut in before your own medical insurance, depending on who they decide to the at-fault party. It's going to be the insurance company that decides that. That doesn't always mean it's factual. So we've had cases where the insurance companies felt that their client wasn't at fault, or our client was partially at fault, and through testimony investigation, we found out that wasn't the case. So you shouldn't take the word of your insurance company just because they've told you that. Remember, they have a vested interest. If they deny the claim, they have to pay anything. So there's always a reason to go a little bit further with that, not just take somebody's word that, oh, by the way, you're at fault.